Hello viewers, welcome to Nova Tech YouTube channel. This is your instructor, Idris Oriakale. In today's video, I am going to explain USB port colors and what each one really means. You may have noticed that USB ports come in different colors such as white, black, blue, teal, red, yellow, green, and purple port. But have you ever wondered what these colors actually indicate? Each color represents a different USB version, speed, and power capability. In this video, I will explain the difference between USB 1.x, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, USB 3.1, and USB 3.2. The data transfer speeds, and which USB ports support always-on charging even when your computer is turned off. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify any USB port just by its color and understand its real technical purpose. So, let's get started. White port. USB 1.x. The original USB standard, now largely obsolete, but still found on some legacy hardware. Max speed, 1.5 megabits per second to 12 megabits per second. Standard, USB 1.0/1.1. Key features, low speed, 1.5 megabits per second, full speed, 12 megabits per second, legacy compatibility. Black port, USB 2.0. The most common standard for many years, used for keyboards, mice, and basic peripherals. Max speed, 480 megabits per second. Standard, USB 2.0. Key features, high speed, 480 megabits per second, standard power delivery, universal compatibility. Blue port, USB 3.0/USB 3.1 Gen 1. Introduced super speed USB. Significant jump in data transfer rates. Max speed, 5 gigabits per second. Standard, USB 3.2 Gen 1. Key features, super speed, 5 gigabits per second. Full duplex communication. Higher power output. Teal/light blue port, USB 3.1 Gen 2. Super speed plus USB. Doubled the speed of the original USB 3.0. Max speed, 10 gigabits per second. Standard, USB 3.2 Gen 2. Key features, super speed plus 10 gigabits per second. Enhanced power delivery. Improved data encoding. Red/orange port. Sleep and charge. Indicates a port that remains powered even when the computer is in sleep mode or turned off. Max speed. Varies. Standard, USB 2.0/3.x. Key features, high current charging, always-on power, ideal for mobile devices. Yellow port, high power/always-on. Similar to red/orange ports, these are designed for high current charging and often stay on during sleep. Max speed. Varies. Standard, USB 2.0/3/x. Key features, fast charging support, high amperage output, dedicated charging port. Purple port, Huawei Supercharge. Typically used for Huawei's proprietary supercharge technology. Max speed, varies. Standard, proprietary. Key features, ultra-fast charging, proprietary protocol, high current. Enjoyed this video? Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates.